Hey, what's up? My name is Philip and welcome to LearnTech Press. Uh, in today's video, I will be introducing you to UI and UX design. This marks the first lesson out of 14 lessons that we'll be learning about UI and UX design. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at the overview of the UI and UX design. That is including design principles, examples of UI designs, places you can get free designs, how to get started, and the design tools that you need to use. So if you are just new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, let's get started. Now, what is UI design? Most people ask themselves, what is UI design? UI design, or what we call now user interface design, refers to the process of designing the visual aspect of digital now interfaces that users interact with. This includes elements like layout, colors, typography, and also other things, interactive components. Okay, now let's compare now the UI to UX design. Now UI is just a subset of UX, or what we call now the user experience design. While UX design encompasses the entire user experience journey from the first interaction to the last, UI design specifically focuses on the visual elements and how the users now interact with them. Okay, now why is UI design important? Yeah. So first of all, it's first impression. So if you're a mobile developer, either you're a website developer or just a software developer, it's very important to understand the UI design because it's very important and it ensures that your design looks good. So the first impression by the users or the people who use your product is very important. Yeah, so the first impression, the product should look now, it's very important now. It grabs now, the good design grabs now the attention, it encourages more usage by the shape or by the shaping users initial uh, perceptions. Okay, now the other one is about the usability. Okay, so the easy design aids task. Users find what they need quickly, enhancing the overall experience. So your design should have now the should be easily uh, or now your UI design should be easy to use and also guide the users well as they are interacting with your product. The other one is about the brand identity. Now this now design, UI design shows a brand personality, builds recognition, trust, shaping now the user's perception of the brand. So you need to focus on that. The other one is about it helps now in engagement and retention. Now good design keeps now users interested, increases loyalty, fostering prolonged now interaction. So now the other thing is about competitive advantage, which is about now the great design makes product stand out, attracts layout users, differentiating it from now their competitors. So these are some of the importance of having a good UI design. Okay. Now the next one is about now let's look about now the UI and UX design in detail. We have said that UI design and UX design, which is UX, which is user experience design, are crucial elements in creating now the effective digital product. Okay, now we're looking at, and we say that a good UI and UX design can enhance now the user satisfaction, increase customer loyalty, and improve conversion rates. So we'll have also can see here that UI design focuses on the visual appearance. This is what we have just said, that it focuses on the visual appearance and layout of a product, while the UX, which is user experience design, focuses on the overall now the experience and the usability. Now, designing for both aesthetics and now usability is essential to create a successful product. Okay, now let's look at some of the key UI design principles. One of them is usability, which is now it involves now considering things like clear navigation, consistent layout, and also logical flow. So this one is very important, and you need to have a design which is easy to navigate. So this one ensuring that users can accomplish tasks efficiently. Okay, the other one is about accessibility. Now accessibility, now your UI design course should be accessible by all people, uh, by people of all abilities. You know, it involves things like considering things like color contrast for readability, text size, keyboard navigation, and screen reader compatibility, and all that. So that one is lastly is now what we call now the visual appeal. Yeah, your UI design should be appealing uh, and also look great. So this one and also pleasing and aligned well with the brand identity. You know, this one involves aspects like choosing appropriate colors, typography, images, and also maintaining consistency throughout the interface. Okay. Now, lastly, we look at some of the examples now of UI design. So you can just check out now there. We have some notable UI design, including now the Google Materials design, Apple's now iOS interface, and also Microsoft Fluent Design System. Okay. Uh, so first thing you need to, there are so many other designs and countless examples of well-designed UIs in various digital products. You know, studying and analyzing this design can provide now the inspiration for your own project. You know, now there's popular examples now include for websites, the UI design for websites, mobile apps, and also for software interfaces. Now in this case now you'll notice that there are very many websites that where you can get now the free or you can learn various now UI designs. One of them is Dribble. So this is Dribble. Sorry, we have Behance. We have also FreePick and Drawkit, Pixabay, Pinterest, and many other websites whereby you can get now free designs to inspire you in this journey. The other one is about the open source libraries like Material UI and Bootstrap. Now this one provide now ready to use design components. Now utilizing now these resources can help designers to kickstart their project and also improve their design skills. So just check through those sites and search for UI designs, and you'll get them there. Okay. The other one, before you get started, and after you're getting, you have started now the UI design, you need to keep on practicing designing user interfaces and user experiences for different platforms and devices. That is for desktop, also for the uh, fonts and also templates. Okay. Now to get started with UI and UX design, it's important to develop a strong foundation in design principles and practices. So those principles that we have discussed there, is important to focus on them as you get started with UI and UX design. The other thing is like you need to study and analyze existing design to understand what works and what does it work. So you need to check other people's work or maybe check from various designs from various platforms and also the tools that are available. You need to know what works and what doesn't work. So if you're getting problem, you need to seek now the feedback from the peers and also the professional to continuously improve your skills. Okay. Now, there are various design tools that you need to use for your UI design and UX designing process. Some of them is Sketch, Adobe XD, and also Figma. Okay, sorry. We have Figma and InVision. Okay, this tool now provide now the features for creating wireframes, prototyping, and also collaborating with team members. Okay, so you need to choose any tool that you need to focus on, and also that suits your needs and also preferences to streamline your design workflow. So in this case and in this course that we'll be learning, our tool that we'll be using is Figma. And in this case now, there's some reason as to why we can use Figma. Yeah, Figma is used by so many developers and designers for their project. And apart from that, uh, it allows collaboration, whereby you can collaborate with several people. You can work on a similar project. Yeah, so people can contribute to your project, add comments and all that. The other things is like it's a cross-platform. It has a cross-platform compatibility, so it can be used in different operating system. Yeah, that is starting from Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Yeah, the other one is about the version history and also comments. You'll notice that when you're working with Figma, it keeps records of your designs and also the changes that you've made to your design. So the other thing is about comments. If you're working with a great team, or maybe you made some changes to a certain component in your design, you can make a comment so that if someone else comes in, can just know what was the changes that were made. The other one is about the prototyping and also animation. So Figma has great features for prototyping and also the animation to animate your components, your design to look more interactive and also uh, uh, the other is about the plugins and integration. Sorry, this is about the other one is about the plugins and also integration. So there are so many plugins that you can use, or you can just install in your Figma to before you get started, or to in anywhere that you want to use them in your design. There's so many uh, plugins that are available. The other one is about responsive design, whereby now Figma allows now design for you can make a design on a bigger screen, that is desktop, laptops, templates, and also phones. So that one is a good one. The other one is about the community and resources. So Figma has a large community of developers, whereby you can seek help or view their resources, their design that inspire you, and also use some of the resources that are available there to guide you on getting started, where you're stuck, and also inspire you in this journey. So in our next session, we'll be discussing about color typography and also layout, and also we'll start working on a very basic design, that is a mobile app design using Figma. And also I will guide you on how to install Figma on your device, on your PC, and also how to get started with it. Now, see you then.